Bringing you the individuals who have made their marks in their respective field. Tune in every Tuesday 10:30 in the morning in Khushi ke Pal, Khushvinder ke संग.
वेलकम बैक टू रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 से आपने सुन लिया मेरे ढोलना. ऑफ कोर्स ऑसम सॉन्ग एंड यू नो इट इज संग बाय श्रेया घोषाल और खुशविंदर जी. यू नो अमेजिंग सॉन्ग चॉइस. और ये गाना बहुत ही दिल के करीब है क्योंकि ये इसमें बंगाली टच है ना. सो आई लव एनीथिंग दैट इज बंगाली. और मुझे लगा कि आज आपके साथ ऐसी कोई है जो भी बंगाली है ना.
यू नो बंगाली इज सच ए गुड लैंग्वेज. यू नो इतनी प्यारी लैंग्वेज है. आई वांट टू लर्न. कभी मैं जब बड़ा होकर ना ये लैंग्वेज मैंने सीखनी है. ये
बड़ा होकर ना.
यस बड़ा होकर. आई एम नॉट ग्रोन अप येट. तो आज हमारे गेस्ट यही हैं एना सरकार. तो एना जी वेलकम टू द शो.
थैंक यू खुशविंदर. ऑल यू नीड टू नो इज आमी तुम्हाके भालोबाशी.
वो मुझे मालूम है. वो कॉलेज में सबको मैं यही बोलता था. उनको बाद में प्रॉब्लम आई. उसका मुझे मतलब नहीं पता था पहले.
नहीं, then the next sentence should be तुम्ही আমাকে ভালোবাসো, which means do you love me? That's it. Then you seal the deal.
So okay, that's good. So that's a good start.
Thank you so much for having me on air with you. You're doing a lovely program. Congratulations. This is so much required in the community to bring out the best from people, what they do. It's so much hard work that so much people put on in the community. When somebody talks about them, that's great credit to you.
I know, and see, you're doing the same thing. सबसे पहले, you know, I love your name. I don't know, Mr. Hari, आपको कैसे बोलते होंगे मेरी सरकार?
एना, you mean एना?
No, it's सरकार.
मेरी सरकार.
मतलब आप सबके सरकार हो.
वो सरकार है. But not किसी सरकार. जादू नहीं जानते हैं.
नहीं आप जादू जानते हो. I know that. चलो वो बाद में बात करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम अगेन. तो आप जो है यू आर रनिंग दिस Women Now TV. So you're doing a great job. तो इसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे. This is Women Now. What is this about?
So about 3.5 years ago, we were here thinking that जो हम लोग प्रोग्राम टीवी में देखते हैं ना, they're all very very Bollywood centric. Bollywood छोड़ के there was no other TV program that people were talking about their life over here. And we being immigrants and women, our community has a very different dynamic. We were not so much engraved into the Bollywood scenario at that time. We were thinking we should talk about things that relate to our lives over here in the U.S. And why not we have a conversation that gives some kind of views, opinions, addresses issues that the community faces over here as women, as immigrants, and as bringing up children, family in a whole different environment. So हमने सोचा we should have something, a platform that is created for people just like us, because we are very different from mainstream people and we are very different from people back in India. So ये जो community है, this is a dynamic community and nobody was actually addressing or talking about things that relate to their life. तो इसीलिए हम लोग सोचा कि एक शो बनाते हैं जो हम लोग करेंगे और हम लोग बात करेंगे ऐसी चीजों के बारे में जो people coming from India settling out here in the US can relate to. That's how we started Women Now.
That's great. And you're a full-time mom and you're doing this job. So this is how you handle all this pressure. You know, running a TV show is not a small thing.
Correct. No, it is so exciting that you find time. So I totally believe in one thing. When you're excited about doing something, you will find time. There is no crunch of time, because if you are passionate and you want to do something, somehow or the other you will do it. By hook or by crook, you will make time for it. So okay. I am very happy and excited, and with all the support that I get from my team and the community and all the energy they give to me, I love doing what I'm doing, and I think I have no regrets.
Oh, no, I know, and you're growing. That's a good thing. Yeah, and one more thing I will emphasize. हम भी अपने शो में बार बार यही कहते हैं, if you have passion, you can do anything. Then you have time on your side, you have friends, you have passion. It brings you a lot of energy. That's the key point.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
You know,
if you're passionate.
Khushvinder ji, I would just love to ask one question to Enadi.
Sure.
I know Enadi, she's such a sweet person. Enadi, you always talk positive. You have so many good friends, and you always give them credit. I really want to know for all my listeners, कि आपके लाइफ में क्या कभी कोई चैलेंज नहीं आया कि किसी ने आपको रोकने की कोशिश नहीं की? डिड यू ऑलवेज गेट गुड फ्रेंड्स अराउंड यू?
वो तो पॉजिटिव हो जाता है ना, जब कोई रोकने के किसी को कोशिश करते हैं, देन यू गेट डबली एक्साइटेड कि वो हमको दबाना है, राइट? इफ देयर इज नथिंग, इफ देयर इज नो ऑब्स्टेकल, एक सिंपल पाथ में चलना, तो इट्स नॉट एक्साइटिंग इनफ. व्हेन यू नो actually you become very successful when you have that instinct in you कि किसी को you don't want anyone else to win, right? And somebody is trying to dabao you, you get doubly energized. I think that is how the whole process of any corporate life works. If you don't have a competitor, if you don't have other people trying to stop you, you will not get that energy to keep moving forward more and more. बिकॉज कोई चैलेंज ही नहीं है तो क्या अचीव करोगे?
आई नो, आई अंडरस्टैंड. यस, अगर वो रास्ते में कोई ऑब्स्टिकल नहीं है, देन यू डोंट फील इतनी एनर्जी नहीं आती. आई एग्री विद यू. एंड व्हेन यू नो मीट सम चैलेंज, यू गेट मोर एनर्जी एंड यू रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट चैलेंज. And challenges never ends. That's my philosophy of the life.
And all those things are good things actually, Rini. मैं आपको यही कह रही हूँ. All those things are good things because if those things didn't exist, if you did not have competitors, you cannot be successful.
I think Enadi, it depends on a positive नजरिया जो शायद आपके पास है, and इसीलिए शायद you are doing so good. You are spreading women now to all the people, and you are talking for them, about them, and it's amazing. And thank you so much for doing such things for the community.
You know,
thank you, really. People like you also inspire us. You know, I am Khushvinder ji. I'm so inspired by so much talent there is in the community. When I started the show, I used to meet all these common people, and I would talk to them, and I would find out that they have done incredible work that nobody knows about.
Yeah, that's the.
So who is actually?
Yes. ये इसीलिए हम ये शो लेके आए हैं. इसीलिए that's what we are doing. People are doing their bit. Everybody is doing, contributing something towards the community, something towards their passion. कुछ भी है. कुछ यहाँ कर रहे हैं, कुछ इंडिया में जाके करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं लोग. तो दैट्स व्हाट यू नो द होल पॉइंट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, to bring other people on this platform and share their stories to inspire other people.
Correct. And the other good thing that you're doing is you're inspiring the next generation also. Because if we don't take pride in what we are doing and establish that and bring more awareness to that, our kids will not be inspired. So you're doing a great thing by talking about these people, is because the kids will learn from you and the people, and they'll be proud to be an Indian over here because they'll find out that so many other Indians are successful and doing so well. So you're inspiring the next generation, which is more important.
Okay, thank you, Anna ji. So okay. Now let's go back to the women now. So what are the subjects you cover in that? Only related with women or with anything? Any subject related to the immigrants of South Asia?
So we pretty much are 360 circle. Okay, women. The word women has men in it too. We address a lot of issues that are pertaining to men. It's because we don't exist alone. We coexist with men. So we cannot solve any problem without considering men into our lives. So we have men, women, both, and all things that concern our lives, starting from parenting to fashion to politics to community service, corporates, technology, everything. So we want to address every issue that concerns your life. Whether you're a man or a woman, there's something to learn from the show. And every show we want to teach something new, something different that would instigate or stimulate your mind. So we are about every aspect of life. We don't exclude anything, and we also include men. So it becomes very dynamic, and all the conversation in our show is very interesting.
Oh, that's great. And you know, last year I remember you guys had India Now show. India Now 2013, and that was a big scale, that was awesome. Yes.
Right. Yeah, we are going to do it this year also. We are about to book the venue and announce the date. We will do it this year because a lot of people had a great time. They learned a lot, and we want to become more mainstream this year because our objective is to teach Indian culture to mainstream, because that's when the assimilation will happen. So as we know the American culture, the Americans should understand the Indian culture. So that's why we wanted to do it more mainstream this year. So we'll soon announce the date.
That was a big show. I mean, that was such a big effort. I was amazed. I mean, so many people came from India, so many vendors you brought from India, and so many cultural things were going on at the stage, and it was unheard of. I mean, you guys, how you pulled it up, I don't know. So these were all women who were involved that time?
Yeah, mostly all women. We have one male host, but the team that put this together were mainly all women. And thank you so much. You supported us, and if the community didn't support us, we couldn't have done that.
No, but it was a good effort. I know first year there would have been so many obstacles, but still, you were managed to bring Indian culture or, Indian values to this program. Next year, I know it's going to be much bigger scale, and you'll get better response, whatever you got last time, because it was the first show.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you're doing this same thing in Chicago now or New York?
This year we will concentrate here in the Bay Area because we want to consolidate the show a little bit more before we spread out, because we want to control it in a way that we can make it more successful and bigger and more mainstream. This year we are doing it here in the Bay Area, and perhaps next year we'll spread out to other areas.
Oh, that's great. And once again, how you get all that energy? Doing something locally is fine. Doing women now is fine. But when you do something like on a national level, then you need more time, more energy, and more challenges. So,
like I said, everything is driven by the passion. If you have the passion and you believe you can do it, you will be able to do it. And when I see all of you doing so much, I mean, you have your financial advisor services, then you are doing the radio show, you work in charities also. So when somebody sees you, they will be like, you have family, you have so many things going on, how do you manage? But like I said, if you're passionate, you want to do it, you will find time to do it.
Yeah.
There's no excuses.
That's right. Yeah, and as you mentioned, so, last year you also did that charity too. So you bring so many charities at the same platform. That was an awesome show. And
Thank you. Again, thank you for your support. And we were actually talking to so many charities over the year on our show, and we found there are, smaller charities who do not have that much bandwidth to do their own fundraising. So we thought, why not we use our influence and our platform and bring them together and raise some money. And we've been able to raise very good amount of money. We are all have meeting on this Friday distributing the profits that came from the show. And we've been overwhelmed with the response this year, and everybody wants us to do it at a bigger place next year. And this is how you actually help people that really, really need your help.
No, I agree with that. People, it was a house full. I was really amazed to see so many people coming to the charity, and this is a unique idea. I don't know anybody else would have done this in the Indian community. So this is I think first time happened.
Not even in the American community. Some Americans also told me they've not heard because people pick one charity and they'll do a fundraiser.
Yes, yeah.
But to have a platform of charities, it was for the first time. Yes, and thank you for your support again.
Yes, and everybody they got the exposure, all those charities, and I was talking to them. Most of them I know, so they also said that it was a good show and they got good exposure, and that's going to help them too. So it was a great show.
Correct.
So Anna ji, there are so many things to talk about, but let me ask you one more question before we go. Okay, what do you see in the next 5 to 10 years? What is your goal? What other frontiers you want to go to?
Right. So women now is now poised to go to the next level, and this year we have taken a big commitment of connecting with communities that are outside of our Indian community. So like I said, outside Indian community now needs to know more about our community, because then they will promote our community and they will synergize our community. What that will do is it will create a solid ground for us, because ultimately what I want to achieve is to bring the community to a level that we all can contribute, learn and grow, and make it more mainstream, make it assimilate more towards the American community and the local community and become one. because then we leave behind something that the kids can ride on, the kids can be proud of. So I want to make this platform very, very strong. Not only just our community, even take it outside the community so that they can then learn from us and become one. So that is the goal for this year, and in the next 5 years, I'm sure with the support from our, community and people like you and many others, we will be able to achieve that, and that is the goal. The women now should empower people, help people, connect people, inspire them, and grow.
Oh, that's great. And my goal is to learn Bengali next 5 years.
Yeah, tumi amake bhalobashi. That's it.
So that's great. So, okay, when you're doing all this stuff, what are the main obstacles you are having? You're still having any problems, or now the road is smoother?
The road will never be smooth. I've come to terms with it. The only thing, if there was any ask from the community, I would say to join hands, because by joining, you become stronger. By splitting, you become weaker. The one thing that the community does, it goes on splitting. So when you split, what happens? You become weaker, the other person becomes weaker.
Right.
So if you're able to sort your differences and join, no two people are same. You have to understand somebody else will have some other weakness, you will have a weakness, they will have a weakness. But if you're able to forget that and move on and become a bigger force, that's when you'll be able to tackle bigger problems. By breaking and by splitting and by fighting, you will become weaker, they will become weaker. You will not achieve what you really set out to do, which is make a stronger community. That's the only ask I have, that, forget differences and come together and become bigger.
Okay, that's right. रीनी जी, आपने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है बंगाली में?
बंगाली में तो मैं कुछ भी पूछ सकती हूँ. Enadi, we have a lot of Bengali listeners I know. So for them, I just wanted to share ke Rabindranath Tagore, and everybody knows about him, he has wrote one poem, and he has written as Nari ke apon bhagyo joy koribar keno nahi dibe odhikar he bidhata. Whenever I see Enadi, I just feel that God has created women so beautifully that she should have all the power to reign in the world, and she is anyways a sarkar, so
yes.
Dar kis baat ki? So Enadi,
thank you, Rini, you're so sweet.
ज़्यादा time तो नहीं है. Hope to have a more talk with you later on, but good wishes to you, and yes, women now live long and stay stronger.
Okay, so you जाने से पहले one more thing. आपकी website है एना जी, how if the viewers who are not watching women now, how they can do that?
Oh, we have YouTube channel, we have Vimeo channel, we are on the website, on social media, Facebook, we are all over. All our videos are posted on YouTube. If you go on that channel, you'll see so many interviews are posted over there. So we are pretty much international, so people from anywhere in the world can see us.
Okay, that's great. Okay, रीनी जी इशारा कर रही हैं, टाइम हो गया है, तो एना जी, thanks for your time.
Thank you so much. You made my day. It's great talking about what you achieved, because all the hard work comes to use when somebody appreciates it. You feel more and more energized then.
Okay,
Thank you
great.
so much.
Thank you, Anna ji.
And keep up the good work.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Enadi, and keep smiling as you always do. Well, खुशविंदर जी, ज़्यादा टाइम है ही नहीं, पर फिर भी जाने से पहले सबको यही याद दिलाना चाहूंगी कि फाइनेंशियल लाइफ को अगर आपको सिक्योर रखना है तो यू डेफिनेटली नीड टू टॉक टू खुशविंदर सिंह जी. 4085071290 या फिर ईमेल करें ksingh@nyl.com. Well, thank you so much once again.
Okay, thank you, रीनी जी, और thank you listeners. अगले वीक फिर मिलते हैं किसी और के साथ और फिर बातें करेंगे.
डेफिनेटली. तब तक खुश रहिए, फिट रहिए, घूमते फिरते रहिए और हमेशा सुनते रहिए रेडियो जिंदगी 1550. जिए जा.